Hello guys, today we're gonna make sandwiches and here we have all ingredients. Slices of bread, tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, 2 slices of cheese and mayonnaise. Okay, let's start. We need 1 slice of bread, then 1 bunch of lettuce. They're putting on the top of bread. Then we're taking mayonnaise. They're putting on the top of lettuce and we are spreading it out, okay, like this. If you like ketchup, you can put it too. Then we are cutting tomatoes like this. And we are putting it on the top of lettuce like this. Okay, then if you like cucumbers, you're cutting it too like this. And also we are putting it on the top of lettuce like this. Okay, then we need sausages. Let's cut them also. I think this is enough. We'll put it like this. And then if you want, you can put bunch of lettuce again like this. And on the top of lettuce we are putting 1 slice of cheese and again 1 slice of bread like this. And your sandwich is ready. Bon appetit!